What's up, guys? So have you ever been out trout fishing, salmon or steelhead fishing, and you're using a bead and it's just not catching anything, and so you want to change your bead, but you have to cut your hook off and you have to start all over again? I have a solution to that problem. It's called the Easy Bead System from Lazy Larry's. Now watch this. What we have is a bead that has a slot in it. And so we just take, insert our line through the slot, and put the peg in, like so. Give her a little tug and readjust. So you do want to leave a little bit of your peg stick out on the ends so you can grab it with a pair of forceps and pull it out later. But there you go. You're ready to fish. I think I'll change the color. What do? Get a hold of that. Just want to pull your peg out. Off comes the bead. Grab yourself another bead. Pop that right back on the line. Install your peg. Clip her up, adjust, and you're ready to fish again. That's the Easy System from Lazy Larry's. You guys should check it out. Instead of sitting here watching this crap, you should be out at the creek fishing, catching some fish, which is where I should be, but it's raining like hell outside. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.